In this video, I will show you how to display categories on WooCommerce shop page. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, here are my product categories. So if I want to actually display them, what I can do is I can first scroll down until I can see the options for plugin. Click on the installed plugins, or you can also add a new plugin if you want, but make sure that add the plugin right here for WooCommerce. So here's WooCommerce right here. Make sure that it's also activated. And then once you have done that, just head over and hover to this appearance. Click on this customize option right there. And then once you have clicked on this customize option, you should be able to see a new page right here that allows you to change up the appearance. Now you can see in here the option for WooCommerce, and you can see in here the option for product catalog. And now this is what our shop page. Our shop page will only show us our products, as you can see right here. Now if you want to also show categories, or you want to just show categories right here, as you can see, they will be updated as well in this one. So in here, this is my summer category. As you can see, they have been added right here. Now I can also show categories and products. Now this will also be updated, and as you can see, they're actually both available on this one. Now you can also choose the category display. You can show subcategories, products, or both of them. And you can also choose the products per row, as well as a sorting process, as well as the rows per page. Once you're done with that, click on the Save Changes right here. And once you have saved that, you should be good to go. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.